So this is the rear side window trim. So you can see we have a tab here, and then we also have a tab here, and this will go into here and here, so we can get these two tabs in there. And this side, so we're going to put this onto the rod over there, and this piece will be on top of this rear side window trim. So we're going to pull this up and put this in and get these two tabs to the two slot on the rear side window. Now we have got this rear side window trim in position, as you can see here, and we get into that post. You can have a look over there. So for that, and we have this nut, and we're going to put this nut in there, and we're going to tighten that nut. And also we have one screw here, and we have another screw here. So we're going to put all this on.